Do you like the sound of your voice when you hear it on a recording? Don't worry, lots of people don't. But why is that? I'm David Pope. Starting at the BBC, I've coached hundreds of business and legal professionals across Asia, from CEOs and senior partners to young executives and TEDx speakers.
So, back to my question. Why don't we like our voice on a recording?
Because the voice we hear while we're speaking is not the voice that other people hear.
You see, voices are sound waves or vibrations. When other people speak, the sound comes through the air into our ears. But when we speak, we not only hear the sound through our ears, but we also feel the sound vibration inside our head. So we think our voices are deeper than they really are. And when we hear ourselves on a recording, we sometimes get a surprise. Our voice isn't as deep as we think it is.
When I work with clients at our recording studio, I get them to listen to recordings of their own voices and evaluate them.
And the two most common things people tell me when they hear their own voice is that they think they sound a bit weak or boring. They say there's no energy in their voice. In other words, they don't speak with passion or authority.
Here's a tip. To really understand how you sound to others, record yourself on your phone. Play it back. How does it sound? Listen to it again and notice what happens. The more comfortable you become listening to your voice, the more confidence you will develop as a speaker. In my course, Projecting Leadership, you'll learn how to transform your voice and presence with gravitas. I'm passionate about helping you wherever you are in your career to find a strong, confident, and authentic voice for work, for leadership, for life.
To check out this course, click the link in the description. Let's get started on your voice and presence transformation. Use your best voice with all voice talent.